Good day sa lahat ng ating mga subscribers sa YouTube channel o ang ating mga kaibigan sa FB o lahat na maabot sa ating announcement na ito. Ang FINMA Education Network under the ETIAP Center, Expanded Tertiary Education Equivalency and Accreditation Program in Criminology. Gusto ko lang ipaalam sa interested na mag-avail ng degree program in criminology, ang enrollment natin is going on. Ang ating mga schools, ang Arroyo University in Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija, Iloilo University in Iloilo City, and Cagayan de Oro College in Cagayan de Oro City. Itong lahat na schools na I have mentioned offers BS Criminology via ETIAP. Ang ating pwedeng tanggapin ay those working in the public safety sector or government in charge in disaster management, as well as those who are connected to public safety. The Tri-Bureau, the Bureau of Fire Protection, the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, and the Philippine National Police. Tinatanggap din natin. At yung nasa Armed Forces of the Philippines, Philippine Navy, Philippine Army, and Philippine Air Force. Ang ating mga Philippine Coast Guards at ano ang mga grupo sa security group. No? Take note that one of the largest in terms of numbers sa public safety sector na industry is the security. So we are open to that. We will evaluate your learning experience in relation to the program criminology. Ulitin ko, enrollment going on. So please get in touch sa ating mga satellites at coordinators who will help you enroll. Let's start with the AU main campus. You have Ms. Rosel Soriano. You visit Arroyo University main campus. Andiyan din si Dean Dr. Bayani Salamanca. Tapos si Dean Mario Rositi up to Aurora Province, Subic. Di ba? In the Quezon Province, Lucena, you have Morris and Rose. Sa Muntinlupa, you have Doc Franz Betodaso. Tapos si Dean Sig Di Malanta sa Bulacan, and the Air Force Group, Villamor. Dito sa Pasay Review Center natin, andyan si Professor Camilo Manatad, si June Castro, at si James Rahol. Nasa Review Center natin sa Airport Road sa Pasay. Please get in touch with these people. Sa St. Jude College, you have si Dean Jumara Nigosa. Yun ay tumutulong sa atin in that area. We're still linking it with other areas as far as Palawan. We're working hard na makaulit tayo diyan sa Puerto Princesa. Dito rin sa may Batangas area. At sa NCR, nakatutok tayo dito sa Pasay. No? Down to Iloilo, you have the Dr. Au Cordero. You get in touch also with my staff, si Paul Oboido, diyan sa Iloilo City. The whole Panay, we cater to that. Dito sa Cebu, you have our satellite diyan sa Southwestern University. Mayroon tayong naka-assist diyan sa PNP, si Doc Ray City. Dito naman sa Mindanao, of course, as far as Zamboanga, you have Grace Paner. We're trying to establish also with some of our new ETIAP products diyan hanggang Pagadian. Tapos dito sa may Oroqueta, Dipulog, or Misok, you have si Dean Junvel Insong. Sa Dipulog, we have Danet who will help you, no? Tapos dito sa Cagayan de Oro, you have Romy Caralde sa office. You visit our school, no? Hanggang Bukidnon, we have Nimia Rabidas. We're trying to recheck again in Cotabato. Mag-ikot nga kami bago mag-end ang month, no? You have sa Caraga, si Doc Julius Melior with Doc Arciti and Dr. Ways doon sa Caraga. And Tagum, Davao, we have Doc Reggie Lidres. May review center din tayo diyan sa may Tago. Okay, we're trying to also offer in Iligan, no? Kasi we have a school there sa Iligan, Cagayan de Oro College, Iligan. At doon sa Davao City, sana ma-re-establish natin. We're establishing our contact there, makatulong in Davao City mismo. Okay, so enrollment hanggang December 13. December 13 lang. So get in touch with the people that I have mentioned. Kompleto naman siguro atang na-mention, no? Even in from Luzon down to Iloilo, Cebu, Mindanao, we're trying again, as I've said, establish natin ang ating Cotabato or in the General Santos area, that area. No, ang ITIAP ay alinsunod sa ating batas. Mayroong batas na ang ITIAP. So for more information, you can subscribe to this channel and also look for the ITIAP orientation para may idea ka at pwede kang mag-message sa atin. Ulitin ko, dito lang, initial, kailangan may 5 years working experience. At wala tayong edad. Kailangan lang start ng 23 years old. Okay? So for more information, subscribe to this channel. This is Doc Manny Audjan, ang ITIAP Director ng FINMA Schools.